Today we're going to be playing a game called Sound Swap. So as I put the sounds on the board, I want you to say them with me. Ooh. Say Ah. Very good. B. Very good. Alright, now the first word that we're going to make today, I'm going to put it on the board. And the first word is blop. Now in our game today, I'm going to choose somebody to come up and change the word blop into the word blip. So you're going to be listening to what sound you need to take out of the sound, the word, in the word blop to make it into blip. Okay, Emily, would you like to come up? And if you could take out the sound that you think you need to take out and choose one to put in. Okay, so, well done, Emily. We are going to put in I. Let's say the word blip. The word is blip. Blip. Well done, Emily. Thank you. Okay, next person. We're going to change this word from blip into brip. 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 What sound do you hear when my fingers under this sound? When I say rip. Okay, thank you, Emily. Okay, so which sound do you think it might be? Brip. Well done. Is she right? Let's sound it out. Brip. Brip. Fantastic. Well done. Okay, now we're going to change the word brip into the word bip. Okay, who can have a go at doing that, please? Okay, thank you, Sienna. Okay, so we are going to change We're going to move over bip. Well done, Selena. Thank you. Let's see if she's right. Everybody say the sounds with me. Bip. Bip. And our word is bip. Fantastic. All right, a couple more words to go. All right, Julian, we're going to change bip into bop. What sound do you think you need to move? Bip is getting changed to bop. Bop. Okay. Okay. Is he right, everyone? He chose op. Let's say the word b-op. The word is bop. Very good. All right, now our last one, please, Susan. Our last one is going to be lop. Lop. Which sound do you think we need to change when we write the word, say the word lop? Op. Very good. And the sound is oo. Op. Very, very good. Okay, thank you.